MHELBETH'S table. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate, guys, for you always support me in my channel. And if you are new in my channel, you are all very welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so you will be notified every time I'm gonna post a recipe on my channel. And please also do not forget to like and share my videos. Alright, so thank you to all who commented and requested some recipe that I made. I hope you guys are satisfied and happy about it. Thank you so much. Everyone is welcome to comment something. If you want me to cook something for you guys, I will do my best. Alright, promise. Alright, I'm so excited because outside is so hot already. It's summertime, right guys? So today, I will make a very refreshing salad for you. And I'm very sure that everywhere in the world have this kind of salad. I will call this as watermelon salad. Alright, here are the ingredients. Ngayon, umpisahan na namin agad ito at wag na nating patagalin kasi excited na akong kumain nito. I have here a red onion, slices very thinly. You have to half first and then slice the half very thinly. And I have 2 tablespoons of lime juice that I'm gonna put in my onion while waiting. Okay? Para ma-marinate ang ating onion. Okay, let's set aside. And I have here my watermelon. I will cut it into half. I'm just hoping na matamis ang aking watermelon na nabili. Whoops! Okay. So, guys, since wala ako yung pang-scoop, gagamitin ko yung aking teaspoon. Para magkaroon tayo ng konting design, right? There you go. So, tatapusin ko ito. Okay guys, gumawa lang ako ng about 3 cups of watermelon. Pwede nyo naman ding slicein ito, kaya lang gusto ko lang medyo merong presentation, right? So, we'll set this aside, and then I have here my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I'm gonna put some black pepper, about 1 teaspoon of black pepper. There you go. And also, I have here balsamic glaze, balsamic vinegar. I will put about 1 tablespoon. Kung wala kayo nito, okay lang naman. Optional lang siya. So, mix up together. I'll use my teaspoon here. And I will set this aside. Okay? And then, guys, yung ating watermelon, ang sabi seedless sa nabili ko, pero may mga puti-puting maliliit na seeds. That's okay. Kung malalaki na block na, you have to remove the seeds para hindi naman tayo kumakain ng watermelon na may seeds, right? I have here about 1/2 chopped mint kasi very refreshing ito. So, ilalagay ko ito sa ating salad. And then, I have also olive. Yung isang olive, kinat ko in half. You can buy it, the olive in the can, yung may nasa can. Okay? And then, I have here feta cheese. Ito talaga ang napakasarap na partner ng salad na ito. But, if feta is not available in your area, you can always use another option like this one. I'm sure this is very familiar in the Philippines especially kasi nabili ko to sa Philippine store. Okay? Pwede naman din yan na alternate ng feta. But if you have a feta cheese, it's more better. And then I put a little bit of that cheddar that I cut. Okay? And ito na po yung ating onion kanina na nilagyan ko ng lime juice. See? We will put it together. Guys, huwag nyong isipin na ang onion nakakapagpabaho ng hininga. That's not true. Onion is rich in vitamins and a lot of health benefits sa ating katawan. Okay? So, ito yung pula na liquid. That's not watermelon juice. Ito yung lime kasi nababad siya ng 10 minutes. So, naging pula na yung ating lime juice. So, ilalagay din natin yun kasi isa yan sa ating dressing. Okay? So, yung ating dressing na ginawa kanina, pwede na natin siyang ihalo. Just mix up together. At ihahalo na natin. Guys, napakasarap ito kasi usually in the Philippines before, when I was young, pag kumakain ako noon ng watermelon, nilalagyan ko siya ng asin. So, ito guys ay isang napakasarap na salad na kailangan nyong matikman. Kaya ginawa ko ito para sa inyo. Okay, mix up together like this. Look at this, it's so beautiful. At napakasarap din ito. Tip ko pala sa inyo guys, kung gagawin nyo ito, kung kayo may mga parties, may mga bisita, please do it before you serve. Kasi magtutubig siya. Pero kung gusto nyong i-prepare in advance, kailangan every ingredient naka-separate siya para hindi muna siya maghalo-halo. Right? So, ito na guys ang ating napakasimple, very, very refreshing na salad. Napakasarap nito. So, please try this and leave a comment down below kung ano ang inyong feedback with my salad. Watermelon salad for summer. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and also to all my subscribers again, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button so you will be notified every time I will post a video on my channel. Thank you so much. Hanggang sa muli.